Okay, I've got to stop in here for a moment. Yes, we're making a frame saw today, but you can actually own this very one. I'm doing this with Bad Axe Tools, and the idea is that they're providing the kit, I'm going to put it together, and then we're going to raffle this off, and it's all going to go to charity. Tickets for it are only $1 a piece, and all the proceeds will be going to the Roger Cliff Memorial Foundation. This is a charity organized by the Mark Adams School of Woodworking, an amazing school. The charity is designed to help students across the board, primarily though those who need help. And they work with several other programs that really focus on getting those students the help that they need. So if you would like to win this, all you have to do is spend $1 on a raffle ticket and someone's going to win it. Okay, let's get back to the build. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. That's what I'm looking for right there. Two, three, four, five, six. Nice, 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 nice. Frame saw. Ta-da! Yeah. Da-da-da. That was easy. So, how did it do? That's about as clean as it possibly gets. So there you have it, frame saw from Bad Axe Toolworks. I really like this kit. I've made several in the past, but this one is very nice and smooth. And the plans for it are actually some of the better ones I've come across. Not to mention you come with the paper pattern for the ends. Just a really nice kit. I enjoyed building this one, and as you can see, very clean kit right off the saw. Anyone can make one of these. So if you'd like to get a kit like this for yourself, then you can go down in the description down below and see the link down there. Or you could win this very saw, which I will be shipping this off to one of you. one of you are going to win this in the raffle. And we're going to be raffling this off. It's $1 a ticket. You can buy as many tickets as you want. And the winner is going to get this in the mail. Don't even have to pay for shipping. All the proceeds are going to the Roger Cliff Memorial Foundation. It's a foundation set up to help students across the board, but specifically students who really need help. And it's run through the Mark Adams School of Woodworking, which is a phenomenal school. You gotta go take a look at that. I'll leave links to all of that down below and you can find out more and where you can get your ticket as well. So I think that'll about do it. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, then let me know down in the comments down below. Speaking of the comments, you're probably gonna get someone spamming down there saying, you won it. I will not tell you in the comments. I will actually email you when it's done, because when you purchase the ticket, you'll put in your email. So if you like that, then you know what to do. But if you do have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw them down there. It does help out the channel. As well as all those names over there are my sponsors. Yes, that's right. I'm not actually sponsored by anyone. Bad Axe Toolworks is not sponsoring or giving me any from this. I actually pitched the idea to them, said, hey, you provide the saw, I provide the work, and we'll raffle it off for charity. And they said, that's awesome. And I get to say and do what I want to do and promote the people I want to promote, and that's all because of you. You sponsors are the ones that make this happen, so thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more and make this happen and think about becoming a sponsor, one of those names over there, there's links down below. I think I'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. I've been framed! I know, I saw. Okay, I know, I'm legally required to do that joke. I know it's a bit of a stretch, but it does at least cut to the point.